Video is by far the highest engaging, highest converting method of all of the types of content that you can create. Be brave, go for it. People are going to love you. To dramatically scale your business is to repurpose all of your content. Now, a lot of us have been banging on about repurposing for years, and lucky for people in business today, now there is a ton of software that does it for you at the click of the button, rather than the years of tedious labor that those of us who have been in this game a long time used to have to go through. So what I recommend you do with repurposing in general is start with the video. If you're doing a workshop like I'm doing right now, some of you might be watching this recording on social media later and in a tiny little clip. It's come from a giant webinar. Those of you live today, I record the webinars. If you're doing workshops, record them. Now, I have in today's recording a mobile phone recording to one side of me, and I have a laptop with a webcam recording in front of me. Now, the phone is recording in portrait, so I can use this session for social media snippets. A laptop is recording, so I can use this later as an evergreen webinar. Perfect example. Now, one of the tools I love to use, even when I'm making short little social media videos from my phone, is I upload all of my videos to Descript. I do have an affiliate link, sarahcordiner.com/Descript. This will automatically transcribe your video content. You can add the captions, but the best bit is that when you edit the text, that edits the video. So there's a bit of text in there where you started mumble jumbling and I've forgotten my words. You delete the bit that says I've forgotten my words, and it cuts that part of the video out just by deleting the text. It's amazing. The other thing I love about Descript, I should be getting some kind of like special promotion for this, but is that you now have AI functionality in Descript. So you can now go to the top bar and say, please extract me 17 social media snippets from this transcript. Boom. And it will just extract those snippets for you that you can then resave as social media snippets. Boom. It's amazing. Now, the great thing about the fact that you've now transcribed it is you can now use the transcription of your video for writing blog posts, sharing those on blogging, promotional platforms like Tin Articles and Medium and those kinds of places. You can turn those into emails. You can take little quote snippets from it and turn them into quote cards and image cards. You can even start taking all of these transcripts and pumping them into your own GPT clone of yourself so that it begins to learn how you speak, how you write, and all of the content that comes out of your face, so that it can now start duplicating you for even bigger scalability down the line. If you're not sure how to create a GPT clone of yourself, I do have a workshop on that. Send me an email and I'll forward you the link to it. But this is now where you can start to take one single video, one workshop recording, one social media video that you've made, and turn it into multiple pieces of content that now sit at the top of that visibility blueprint you have, that are all going to filter down into you scaling more and making more profit.